Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the world's biggest windshield wiper. But what would you do if it had issues or it just stopped working? Tesla Cybertruck's been out for almost a year now, so people are gonna need to change their windshield wiper, and it's been raining a lot. Looks like I broke a clip already. Par for the course when you're dealing with a Cybertruck, I guess. I'm gonna show you how to change it so you don't have any more problems when driving in the rain. Let's go. Step one is gonna be to disassemble this wiper blade. There is a button right here. We're gonna click it and pull. Okay, so now we need to disconnect this little hose here.
A few moments later.
That was a little harder than I expected, but we were able to disconnect this hose. I just took this out of the box. It's like curved. I don't know if this is normal, but this is really weird looking. Looks like a fishing rod. I'm going fishing for a new windshield wiper blade. All right, I haven't really watched a full video on how to do this, but I'm just gonna pull this one out. Oh, looks like it's pulling on the hose. That's not good. Oh, okay, I see. Old one's off. I guess this is also kind of, this is the used windshield wiper blade. This is not that bad. I thought it would be a little bit more messed up after a year, but yes, because you can see right here that this is the receptor side for the nozzle. So that hose is gonna go in there.
One eternity later.
See, there's a clip here, there's a clip here, here. There's supposed to be one here. And when I did this, it broke the clip. So now this cable that has the water flowing through it is just all jumbled up in there, and it kind of pokes out the side. What we're gonna see right now is if I hop inside the car and I turn on that windshield wiper blade, one, is it gonna go back and forth? And two, is water gonna come out of it? And is it gonna do a good job cleaning? You can't really tell too well in this lighting, but there's a shadow across the top on this side. It really doesn't reach that passenger area all that well, like right over there. I don't really like that about this truck, that the windshield doesn't get cleaned as well as it should with the world's biggest windshield wiper blade. Well, I guess we're gonna have to live with that. Car's on, test. Oh my God, it works, guys. It works. As you can see, that part's gonna be dirty because it just doesn't work that well. But thanks for watching, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.